Today we're making this super easy and tasty shrimp fajita bowl. Start by coating your peeled and deveined shrimp with olive oil, then season with your fajita spice mix. For the pico de gallo, combine diced tomatoes, jalapeno, white onion, cilantro, fresh lime juice, and season with salt. For the guacamole, combine ripe avocado, jalapeno, red onion, cilantro, and fresh lime juice. And lastly, we'll make a nice crunchy cabbage slaw. For this, combine green and purple cabbage, radish, fresh orange, and lime juice. Drizzle this with olive oil, then season with salt. Next, fire up your Charbroil 3-burner gas griddle over high heat. Drizzle the griddle with olive oil, then begin cooking down your peppers and onions. I'll let this cook down for a good 7 to 9 minutes, then I'll season this with my homemade fajita spice mix. You want to make sure that you get some good char on the peppers and onions. I'll let those cook down for another 2 to 3 minutes, then I'll throw on my seasoned shrimp. I'll cook the shrimp until both sides have a nice sear and the inside is just cooked. Pull everything off the griddle, and now we can assemble our bowl. I laid all of my ingredients out on the Charbroil entertainer cart because it keeps everything nice and organized. First, I'll add a few spoonfuls of my cilantro lime rice and my braised pinto beans. Next, pile on some of those delicious peppers and onions and those perfectly cooked shrimp. Now we can add on the cabbage slaw, pico de gallo, and last but not least, the fresh guacamole. This was a super clean, fresh, and healthy dish to make on your Charbroil griddle.